I call this activity ABC Domino. There are 27 cards, so you are going to divide the class into groups of 3. For example, you have 30 students, so you need 10 sets of this. So this set has 27 cards, and so each student will get nine cards. They have to look for the card which has the start in it, okay? So that's the start, and then so that's a picture of a lion, so they have to look for the card which has the letter L.
Where is it? Where is it? L. Okay, there it is.
So, and then put it there, and then that's a house, so you need an H. There's the H, okay? And then zebras, you need a Z, and so on and so forth. And the last card will be an F with the letter, the end. The first group which finishes this activity will get a stamp, for example, or a sticker, okay? So, but before you're going to do this activity, you have to prepare the students by playing the what's the first letter game. And then in this game, you're going to divide the class into 3 groups, and then the one player from each group will go to the board and will guess the first letter of the word, okay? And then I will show you the video after this. What's the first letter? C, cat. L, lion. S, sun. Z, zebra. P, pig. K, key. O, octopus. W, watermelon. I, igloo. I, ice cream. J, jack in the box. J, juice. X, xylophone. B, ball. H, house. A, acorn. A, apple. T, turtle. V, violin. R, rabbit. N, nail. G, giraffe. G, grapes. M, mouse. Y, yarn. E, elephant. U, unicorn. U, umbrella. D, dog. F, frog. Q, queen. The end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.